everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making our very own Von Dutch trucker hats and a sweater. If you were old enough in the early 2000s, then you'd probably remember everyone and their grandma having one. They quickly gained popularity when Paris Hilton and Nicole Richie wore them in an episode of Her Simple Life back in 2003.
This isn't even cute, having to wake up this early. No.
Sadly, the queen of fashion is no longer rocking them nowadays.
So the next text is from Gerardo Lopez. Hello, gorgeous. Do you still wear the infamous Von Dutch trucker hats? No, I don't. I used to be obsessed with them, but now I'm just not into them at all.
I'm glad she got my name right though. Before I leave the house, these Crocs always go on public mode. Let's go. I'm so sorry for my big fuzzy steering wheel, but we're gonna be going to Family Dollar to purchase some super glue. Let's just hope I don't walk out with the entire store. We made it safe and sound to our destination. Bingo. I should have grabbed the card. Welcome back, everyone. We finally made it back home. Thank the Lord. Woo! So what you're going to need for this tutorial is 2 trucker hats. Of course, you can pick whatever color you want. I went with this lime green one, and I went with this orange camel one because it looks like the one Paris Hilton wore on The Simple Life.
Excited? You made one part in.
Okay, in 15 seconds I'm pulling the plug.
Most importantly, you're going to need patches. I got these Von Dutch patches off of eBay for literally like $7 each. So you definitely have a variety to work with. I'm putting on an apron in case some super glue decides to be naughty today. I'm ready.
You want to be on top?
Alright, total game plan. I know earlier I said we were going to use super glue. I even went to the store, which was a waste of time and money. But I was working on one of the hats and the patch just wasn't sticking to the hat. It kept falling off. So I had to order a new patch because it was just completely ruined. As you can see in this image, it was just a big total disaster. So we are totally switching it up, and here we have the infamous Gorilla Glue Hot Glue Gun Edition. Bienvenidos a mi cuarto, cabrones. Here I already have what I'm going to be working with right in front of me. I even have a yellow table cover on top because I don't want none of this messy shit get all over my bed. It also looks like I'm getting ready to hide a body.
Yeah. That was good.
Our hot glue gun finally turned red, which means that it's ready to go. So let's get to work because I cannot wait to start rocking these. We're going to be starting off with this orange one. As you can see, it has the stains from the damage I was telling you about. But I'm not really worried because I'm sure the patch is going to cover it right up. Here we have our first product. I'm just very happy it did not go like the first time. Now we're gonna get to work on the lime green one. I already have so much outfits envisioned with this. And here we have our trucker hats. This is probably like the easiest DIY ever. You guys, however, can add on whatever you guys want. You could add gems, but I like to keep it original, you know. So I found this very plain Jane.
I see plain Jane from Athens.
Sports jacket in my closet. It was just collecting dust. So I'm like, no, we're gonna spice it up a little bit. First patch on, one more to go. I was gonna put this patch in the back, but it's too small for that, so I just decided to put both of them in the front and call it a day. And here we have it. From trucker hats to jackets, I feel like the ultimate designer now. Watch out, Dior, I'm coming for you. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. Please feel free to DM me on my Instagram if you did a trucker hat or a jacket of your own, because I definitely want to see how you guys did yours. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, please hit that damn subscribe button right now. What are you waiting for? Here I am with a very special guest, Tinley Winley. Say hi.
I want you to put me the fuck down.